Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about the resize plant command. Now, before we start with the tutorial, let us know why do we use resize plant. Suppose if you import any kind of file which doesn't have any kind of model history. As you can see, currently I am in the Path Navigator and there lies only one history, which is this, which says as body, and I do not have any kind of feature to resize the plant or any kind of model navigator's history. So in such cases where there is no history in the model history, along with that there are plants on the body and you want to edit those plants by resizing them. So in those cases we use resize plant. I hope the need of the resize plant is clear to you and where do we use resize plant. Now let's read the definition for once. It is going to change the radius of a plant face. Now, if I just click on resize plant and here you can see it is clearly written here as to select the plant face. It is not saying to select the face. It is saying to select the plant face. So if I just hover my mouse on any of the face, you can see it is not going to take that face. So I have to select the blank face. Now let me just select a blank face. You can see this is a blank face. Now if I click on this, here comes the radius and I can increase or decrease as per our convenience. So currently I'm just going to give the value as 4 and click on OK. Now you can see this is how the changes are going to be get reflected. Now I'm just going to do the undo to help you with deeper understanding of this command. Now, if I just go to resize plant and I'm going to select the face again, here you can see find clone. So this is the option which is going to give you some matches regarding the face. So here return as exact match. And if I just click on exact match, like I hover my mouse here, so you can see the blue faces are going to be get highlighted with the red color, which says as that these faces are going to be get selected if I just tick on this. So let's have a tick. And here you can see the select blank faces are now 4. Earlier it was 1. Now it is going to be 4. So I can increase or decrease the radius as per our choice. So I'm just going to give the radius as 5. Now click on OK. So this is how we can edit the blanks. Now just here you can see the loose match. Earlier it was exact match. So these are basically the matches which are going to be get found by the system. So I'm just going to untick this because we got an alert. Let's read the alert for once. A face has tolerant edges. Use optimized face to improve the edge accuracy. So there is an option in synchronous modeling regarding the optimized face, but currently I'm not going to use that because we will make another tutorial for that. So I'm just going to have the manual selection for those faces. I'm just going to select these all faces which are going to be count as 4 and going to give the radius as 5. So now click OK. So this is how we can use the resize plant. I hope the understanding of the command is clear to you and why do we use it. So that is all in this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed the learnings of resize plant, and if you have learned something new from this video, please do hit a like, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.